Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to screen mirror using your iPhone to your iPad, okay? So technically, we're going to use our phone to do something or duplicate whatever we're doing here to your iPad. So that's the disclaimer right here. Just make sure that both of your devices are Apple because there are tablets that aren't an Apple device, okay? So you should be using an iOS Apple phone, for example, an iPhone, to duplicate or screen mirror to an iPad, which is also an Apple, okay? So the first thing I want you to ask to do is going to be open settings right there, click on generals real quickly and hop on software update, okay? So from this one, I just want you to make sure that you have the best version of iOS available on your device. It doesn't really matter if it says iOS 16.6 or not here because you may be watching this for a different time, for example a few months from now. So the important part here is it's gonna say iOS is up to date at the bottom part, okay? And that being said, let's go back to the landing page on my phone, and from here you want to make sure to open settings again and click on Wi-Fi. So idea here, this is the crucial part on screen mirroring. Make sure your phone, the one you're using to screen mirror, and the iPad you're gonna screen mirror to are connected with the same Wi-Fi network. That's the important thing. Once that's good enough, just drag down your screen right there and click this little icon right here. This one right here, two boxes. Once you click on that one, it's going to say screen mirroring, and it will show up here your iPad's name or your iPad's device name, and simply click on that one, okay? And you should be able to screen mirror on your iPad without a problem. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Have a safe one.